cupcake? Alright, so I'm guessing you made that one for you.
So, Joe,
How you doing, Lily? Aren't your cupcakes beautiful?
Okay.
Me too, Dottie.
Nancy, I know I haven't forgotten you, honey. You can get cupcakes too. All right. I got one right here already.
How you doing, Bill?
You like chocolate or vanilla? What kind of a cupcake? You like the chocolate? You like sprinkles on it? You like sprinkles?
Well, I'd say friend cupcake is beautiful. Wow, very nice. So, Bill, I'm guessing you're all finished with yours. Bill? Yeah, Paulette, are you finished with yours? Yes. How about I take that away, Bill, and give you a spoon?